96% worthless. 70,000 collections at $0. Shock? That's the NFT reality. The collapse. Roughly 96 to 98% of all NFT drops now trade below their original mint price. Most slid there within weeks and never climbed back. Market trackers list about 70,000 of 73,000 collections with zero trading volume or bids. Ghost towns. Overall, secondary market turnover has fallen more than 90% since the 2022 high. Liquidity? Gone. Why it happened? Hype spiked supply. Demand didn't. When flippers bailed, floors cratered. New buyers saw thin order books, so prices spiraled down. Simple market math. What you own? Almost nothing, beyond a receipt. The smart contract transfers a token ID, not the artwork's copyright. Unless the creator signs a separate license, the artist still controls reproduction, printing posters, making t-shirts, comic books, adaptation, turning the image into a film, game, or 3D figurine. Commercial revenue, renting the image, selling derivative works. You, the holder, keep a personal display right, tweet it, frame it, and resale ability. That's it. Bottom line. Digital tulips. Bright on-chain, brittle off-chain. Bragging rights today, no real property tomorrow.